that he used to play with, and Sean Arrows was a little
Remember
boy.
Michelle Arrows, Mum? The cheerleading girl who Mum used to come watch us play tennis with the big hair?
Alright. I know the pockadillas.
Noah. Noah.
There's another little boy inside. If no one wants to play with another little boy.
Don't worry. He's not a shy one.
So you know how to
Ah, see that's the thing, he wants to get his done straight away, you know what I mean? Yeah, 8 to 10 grand I think. Yeah, he's going to pay for it. There you go.
No powiedz coś mnie po polsku. Ja
Cześć
słucham.
mamuś, tato. Dzisiaj nasze przyjęcie zaręczynowe. Wiem, że nie możecie z nami być. To małe wideo dla was kręcimy. No nie wiem, co mam wam powiedzieć. Mnóstwo ludzi przyszło, jest gorąco, 34, probably 34 stopnie, więc jest trochę gorąco, jesteśmy na zewnątrz. Wujek Iwana kręci ten film właśnie, więc kręcił również na zewnątrz, że zobaczycie, jak to wszystko wyglądało i szkoda, że nie możecie tutaj być z nami.
Bardzo szkoda.
Bardzo szkoda. On mówi po polsku właśnie. Did I say something? In English. Okej.
Nie chcesz nic powiedzieć, Marvin?
Papa.
Papa, co oglądajcie i cieszcie się z nami. Papa.
No.
Okay.
I'm looking at that. But the lady don't know. She's president of the Tai Chi Fitness Association, and she does stuff with and she was just saying that with the routines they do, they're not that hard to learn. They said she really not well.
Thanks for saying it.
Oh, did he? Yeah.
Hey, Sandy. Really?
You guys just think that
Yeah, we went to one today. And we found a couple that we like, so it's just sort of deciding, you know, which.
We didn't have food. I'm gonna put some more water in.
There's some in there, but there's some in there.
Everything guys. Are you surprised when you proposed, or are you just thinking about it? We hanged this today.
And what program did you
What?
just for it?
Just worked, yeah. I was just looking for some background, like with some hard sets, you know. The soft Put it up, and the 100 Alright, everyone sits at the
Are you enjoying it out of
Lone Ranger. You're grabbing the line.
Like a long road, someone who takes a bit longer to get to you. What's it, guys?
That's alright. Good.
There are some here on the table.
These ones? Or
Alright. I think they'll like these ones.
Yeah, because they're
The sauce.
And there's gonna be sauce and them around.
I'll have some. The bananas and jelly, right?
Yes.
What's that up there, Henry?
I don't think anybody's.
What is that furry thing up there?
Okay. You've got to get rid of all of this. Looks like
He's been sick lately, but it'll be good to get him.
the old Travolta and the meatball.
We love Ivan like a brother, but I suppose he's just like
From another mother. They are made of pork.
thank you.
Is it Polish pork?
It's Polish pork.
Thai.
That's some sauce from it. Smash that. So that's what makes it Polish, the sauce.
Oh, sorry.
I'm alright. Do you want to can't have?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get them all once you get them.
Oh, keep it the time.
Oh, wow.
How good is that sauce?
Oh, I got it.
You should marry her.
I know, I'm alright. Can I
I'm on the way. I'm on the way.
I got it for time.
Okay, that's good. Oh, sorry, Rohan. Oh, good. Take him. Take him. Take him.
Yeah, I can imagine.
That's pork beans. It is pork beans. A dill sauce. A creamy dill sauce. It's a Polish sauce. Yeah, she does alright. She goes alright. Thank you. Everyone good? Everyone alright?
Gotta have the dill sauce.
Oh yeah, love that. Beautiful. You like the cuties? Any more, please? Your soul's knocked out. Make sure the devil doesn't pick it up.
Where the bunny is, mate.
You know that actually comes in handy in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You can use your cheeks.
Gene. What?
I can read this and see if that's okay. So I suppose this is the time for speeches. My goddaughter Olivia, isn't she beautiful? If everyone who doesn't have a glass, don't worry, but everyone with a glass, I'd just like to congratulate my mum for raising such an excellent son. Good job. Good job.
We'll second that.
And thanks to everyone for coming out here today and spending the day with us. And Tina came all the way from Poland. Where's Tina? No,
She's going back to
the flight was at 5:30. So.
She's staying after the flight.
Hey.
We're just saying that you came all
Thanks for coming all the way from Poland. Krakow, I think it was.
No,
Warsaw,
Well done, Ivan.
and I suppose this is the time when I say something about the beautiful girl next to me. January 2nd, 2010, I met Aga, and I remember her first comment was, it was strange that we met. It was an unlikely situation. It was strange that we met, and my response was that we'd met for a reason, and neither of us knew the reason at that stage, but in time we'd find out. And to be honest with you, I was just trying to sound smart to impress her, but it obviously worked because we're here celebrating the engagement. But the reason became very clear. We started to fall in love with each other, and then Aga made the difficult decision, which one of us had to make, to move halfway across the world. And I'm sure everyone, the boys who were around me at that stage, knew how ecstatic I was when that happened. It was I was jumping off the walls, you can imagine. It meant that we got to fall asleep next to each other again, which was quite difficult. And when I knew that I was going to ask Aga to marry me, which was pretty early on in the piece, I knew I'd have to ask her parents' permission. So one day I sat down and I put all my feelings and all my emotions, and I put my heart on a letter, and I sent it to her parents in Poland because I couldn't ask them face to face. And then I waited and I waited and I waited and I waited. And I waited about 2.5 weeks and I didn't hear anything back, and I thought, okay, so they don't want their daughter to marry an Australian. So this is their way of telling me that it's not going to happen. But they actually sent a letter the same day that I wrote to them. I just never got it in the email, and as you can imagine, they were pretty pleased that we'd found love and we were going to be together. And to my mum, when my mum was pregnant with me, she didn't hide the fact that she wanted to have a daughter. She was praying for a daughter, and I was probably 4 or 5 before she started to let me cut my hair and started buying me pants instead of little dresses. But I know she's extremely proud to have 2 daughters now in Aga, and my brother's fiance Lisa up there. She's very, very happy to have 2 daughters now. So and just on another note, thanks for everything you've done, Mum. I can't imagine now raising 2 little kids by yourself without any kind of help or anything like that. So it's good go, good effort, well done. And I don't always say thank you, but it's very good, and please don't dance Gangnam Style. And to everyone else, thank you so much for spending this day with us. That you've taken time out of your lives to be with us and make this so important. And the kids built an awesome brick road up the back here, I have to say. And on another note, a few of you guys know how much time and effort we've put into things since Aga's come here, and as a congratulations, she got her visa approved on Friday, which was so I came home and her bags were packed, and I couldn't work out if she wanted me for the visa or if she was actually in love. But she stayed for the party, so we'll see what happens on Sunday. Who knows? And I've actually, Libby, no. My goddaughter, you know, I always do that, as the guys know. I always pull my skirt up when we go out. So no, and Aga asked me for no surprises today, but in typical form, I had to have a surprise. So if you guys can all stand there for about 40 minutes, I'll be back.
Okay, that's a really surprise. I have no idea.
You better speak now.
I'm just shocked, but she's worried. She's worried.
I asked a couple of people to put a video together, and everyone involved was more than happy to do so. You might need to stand on the other side, babe. This is my mum and Ron dancing Gangnam Style on film.
Better not be your mum and Ron.
Hey Andrew, where can we?
Better not
Thanks, man. Hey, good stuff. Well done. No surprises? No surprises.
I didn't think we had to wait 40 minutes.
Good on the rush.
Nah, it wasn't going to be 40 minutes. That was just a joke. Ooh.
What the nice
Stop filming. This isn't a porno. This is my engagement one. Okay, so... So I asked Ag's family if they could put something together for the engagement party because I know how important it was to have them here. And
Hold it up.
although no one except Tina will arrive from Poland, as we said, or my uncle will understand.
I've hold it up.
Więc chcieliśmy taką niespodziankę dla Ciebie zrobić szczególnie, Agnieszko. To jest pomysł plana. Prowadziliśmy tu właśnie wszyscy Twoi najbliżsi, żeby
If I knew it was going to make you cry, I wouldn't have asked them, babe.
najlepszego. Żeby Wasz związek był udany i szczęśliwy, żebyście zawsze żyli w zgodzie. Żebyście się kochali, żebyście wzajemnie pomagali, no i żeby wszystko było jak najlepiej. Dopiero na tydzień wprawdzie to Wasze przyjęcie, ale my dzisiaj już tak myślimy o Was. Chcieliśmy tak właśnie kilka słów do Ciebie
something bad.
Wszystkich Was pozdrawiamy, a nie chciałam jeszcze podziękować.
You're making Sandy cry, babe.
No, Sandy Oprah's gonna start crying.
Beautiful human emotion. Żyje Ci tam po prostu dobrze. Mateuszek ślicznie, Ani, powiedzcie Ci wszystkiego najlepszego i wujkowi Iwanowi, tak? No, wszystkiego najlepszego i bawcie się dobrze.
I'm sorry to make you cry, babe. Yeah, translate that all the last.
jelly.
Basically what they said is like they wish them all the best.
Really?
Yeah.
And I have to say No, that's fine, but sorry, babe. I'm really sorry.
I'm sorry.
But I have to say, when I asked the family just to put something together, just because I knew how important it would be to have them involved in today, even though they're how many thousand miles away, they you're checking your watch?
It's after 9 in the morning.
I knew how important it was for them, and more importantly, I knew how important it would be for Aga to have something, even if it's a video just from her family. So once again, thanks to everyone for coming, and go to the Western Sydney Wanderers.
Yes.
I told you I was going to say that. All right, let's eat. Yeah, you gotta kiss the closest boy to you. Oh, that's me!
Yay! You didn't finish, have you?
Okay, I took about 50 photos. I think that's enough. You think we're related or what?
I don't know.
It's alright. Any comments?
That's what today's about.
Well, I can hear this.
I want some
Yeah, why not?
Like,
No bottles? yeah, buddy. Brags for you.
Somebody sent me grass. Somebody sent me grass from this stadium all the way to Australia.
I sent him a piece of grass and he had to go to customs. They said, we think you've got some dodgy ass. It's like,
This grass.
that's the stadium. That's the ticket. What's the book? When I came back from Spain, there was a Valentine shortly after, so I just put all those photos. I sent them to Kodak.
Another way he wants to impress me.
That's his style.
Oh yeah.
And it worked.
It worked.
No doubt about that. Yeah.
Who's that?
Ivan had no time.
No, that's Spider-Man. Funniest guy. I was taking a photo and he was like, he didn't want us to take a photo.
Yeah, he was just,
Yeah.
and he was
Until you give him money, eh?
Yeah. You know that.
in the base where the guy,
It's like a race. If I take a photo, he won't smile.
Yeah, exactly.
He's from Android.
That was our hotel. Hotel Eurostars Madrid. It was in Begoña, which is like 5 kilometers out of Madrid, but it was.
But it's still.
I never from the boat.
Thanks by the way for showing us first and then yourself.
You're very welcome.
It's like when I was in school, the teacher would show you. Yeah. We had to read it together, right?
Show and tell.
I used to be a teacher.
Oh yeah? You
We
still
can
have the
tell.
skills, yeah.
I can tell.
Passes on.
Look at me being tough, like a Mount Druitt boy in the center of Madrid.
Representing 277.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 뛰는 놈그 위에 나는 놈 baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 뛰는 놈 나는 뭘 좀 아는 You know what I'm saying 오빤 강남스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일